The guys working over there. Less than 10 people show up here, and we'll see what we're doing. So we basically fill out my pleasure. I'll see you around. All the breaking bumps and erosion, and we borrow dirt from the side and throw it in the middle. Okay. This jump was resurfaced, drainage clean, and the berm was clear of all the erosion routes or whatever cracks. I don't have a clue, but looks smooth now. So we clear this drain, but the problem is this turn. All the water gets here, and there is a big pond here that is causing trouble. So next solution will be to dig a pipe. We need to call 811 and figure out there is no gas lines under, and then we have the perfect berm going forward. At this point, the water coming down gets there, and that's the issue. Well, not a single brake stop or bump anymore. Looks cool, and the drainage was clear again to make sure that water goes out. And there is another one bigger here. So all the water from that berm gets out right here. The landing area of this jump was smooth now, and a little drainage to get water out after and before, and all the erosion cracks filled, so it's gonna be a smooth going forward. And again, a little drainage to avoid water goes down the trail. Simple things like that make the trails better for all of us. Well, if you borrow land from the trail itself, this is what happens. You create a pond when it rains, and a big jump in progress. Holy shit, this is not gonna be easy medium anymore. Work in progress. Wow, this one was rebuilt. It's wider now, more solid. We are using concrete bricks as a jump. Wow, nice job. Very well done.